Imagine running a business that empowers other businesses to thrive, all without the need for a physical office, inventory, or hefty startup capital. Welcome to the world of digital marketing agencies. In 2025, there's no better time to dive into this dynamic field. A digital marketing agency helps businesses grow online using tools like search engine optimization, paid ads, social media, content creation, and email marketing. You're not just marketing, you're building the engine that drives sales, visibility, and brand recognition. The digital marketing landscape in 2025 is ripe with opportunity. Businesses are investing more than ever in online ads and brand positioning. The rise of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, and Jasper is making content creation faster and smarter. Remote work has become the norm, and the demand for online visibility is at an all-time high. You don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to know how to solve real problems for your clients. To win clients quickly, start by picking a niche. Whether it's e-commerce, healthcare, online education, local businesses, or content creators, the more focused you are, the easier it becomes to market your services and close deals. Remember, you don't need to serve everyone. You need to serve someone well. By specializing, you can tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your chosen industry, making you more attractive to potential clients. Begin with 1 to 2 core services such as social media management, Facebook or Google Ads, search engine optimization, website funnels, or email campaigns. Clients are looking for results, not fluff. By starting lean, you can focus on delivering high-quality services and then expand your offerings as you grow. This approach allows you to build a strong foundation and reputation in your niche before diversifying your service portfolio. Now it's time to walk the talk. Create a simple, high-converting website and start posting on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Share case studies, results, or tips to showcase your expertise. You're not just selling marketing, you are marketing. If you don't have clients yet, create mock projects or offer free audits in exchange for testimonials. This will help you build credibility and attract your first paying clients. No team? No problem. You can use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or online contractors to get the help you need. Leverage tools like Canva, Surfer SEO, Writesonic, and ChatGPT to streamline your processes. Automate scheduling with tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Your job is to be the conductor, not the entire orchestra. By utilizing these resources, you can efficiently manage your agency and focus on growth. Here's how to get your first few clients without spending a dime. Join niche Facebook or LinkedIn groups, cold direct message businesses with value-first offers, pitch 10 businesses per day with a tailored message, offer 7-day trials or pay-on-results deals, and ask for referrals and reviews from happy clients. Your first $1,000 to $5,000 is just a few conversations away. Start with simple pricing, a starter package at $500 per month, a standard package at $1,000 to $1,500 per month, and a premium package at $2,000 or more per month. Price based on value, not hours, and always track results to justify what you charge. This approach ensures that your pricing reflects the impact you have on your clients' businesses. Once you hit 3 to 5 clients, consider hiring a project manager or virtual assistant. Systemize your service delivery and build standard operating procedures. Start running simple ads to grow faster and expand into other high-ticket services. This is where freedom starts to become real, as you can focus on scaling your agency while maintaining quality service delivery. Starting a digital marketing agency in 2025 isn't just smart, it's scalable, profitable, and future-proof. You help businesses grow, and in return, you build a business of your own. From zero experience to landing dream clients, the path is clearer than ever. Start with one niche, one offer, focus on delivering results, use artificial intelligence and freelancers to save time, and get visible online. Remember, every six-figure agency started with a single client. Will yours be next?